Hey everybody, how you doing? Alright, here's with the replacement with the JPLA. I went ahead and put a socket in there. Got it on there. I have the video cable plugged in. I have my power that I got down here. It's plugged in. And then I have the TV over here set for AV. I'm going to go ahead and get it where I can turn this on. So, alright, so let's go ahead and flicker it on here. Let's see what we get. So, it's not clear at all. Hopefully you can see what I'm seeing where kind of the characters aren't really sharp, so I mean that looks good from that standpoint, but let me go ahead and write a little program and then get back to you and then show it in different colors. Hold on. Okay, so resuming, I went ahead and did the old print. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog's back. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. And then 20 go to 10. So let me go ahead and run this. And if you look at the screen, go ahead and stop it here. Things look like things look kind of halfway decent, but they really aren't. If you notice, the letters are not crisp. Now, let me go ahead and change on the keyboard. Let me go ahead and change it to white. And then let's go ahead and run it again. And then I'll stop it, and then you can really see what's going on here. And then, any other color that you do, type. Give me a second, and let me stop it. This one's kind of odd because this is red. So we've gotten closer. I mean, it's not as prominent as it was. So I will go ahead and look into this online and see if there's anything that matches. I'll go ahead and post this. So if any of you have seen this before, let me know, and I will go ahead and do what we need to do. It's probably another chip, but it's knowing what. So I don't have the cartridge to troubleshoot the things. I should get one, but that's where we're at. So that's the end of part 2. So be advised that I had issues getting the correct sockets. This is the one I just received today, and I was able to modify one of the long sockets to make it work, but I had ordered other sockets and they were the wrong ones. So since I'm not too familiar with I don't even know where, but here we are. If you'd look, see how small these guys are. Oops, I got the wrong ones, but hey, they were cheap, so it was eBay. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and let this stay running for a little bit. I will see which chips get hot and which ones are not. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned for part 3.